Depop versus Poshmark. Which resale app is better explores how choosing the right resale platform can boost your selling success without the hassle of complicated setups. Both apps offer unique features for buyers and sellers. Depop and Poshmark are two leading resale apps, each serving different audiences and selling styles. Depop focuses on trendy, vintage, and youth-driven fashion, while Poshmark offers a broader marketplace with a strong emphasis on community and social selling. Depop is a mobile-first resale app, popular with younger users, especially those interested in streetwear, vintage, and unique fashion pieces. It works like a social media platform, allowing sellers to create personalized shops, follow others, and engage through likes and comments. This social aspect helps sellers build a loyal following and showcase their style. Depop's interface is visually driven, emphasizing photos and creative listings. The app charges a 10% fee on sales, which covers payment processing. Strengths include its vibrant community, ease of listing items, and appeal to trend-focused sellers. However, Depop's audience is niche, so it may not suit sellers with more mainstream or luxury items. Shipping is managed by sellers, which can be a limitation for those seeking integrated logistics. Ideal users are creative sellers targeting Gen Z and millennials who want a platform that blends shopping with social interaction. Poshmark is a well-established resale app that caters to a wide range of fashion, accessories, and home goods. It combines a marketplace with social features like sharing listings and hosting virtual parties to boost visibility. Poshmark charges a flat 20% commission on sales over $15, making it pricier but offering integrated payment and shipping labels, simplifying logistics for sellers. Its user base is broad, attracting casual sellers and boutique owners alike. The app excels in community-driven selling, encouraging interaction through comments and shares, which can increase sales opportunities. Poshmark supports a straightforward listing process with detailed filters and categories, making it easier for buyers to find items. Limitations include higher fees and less appeal to younger, trend-focused audiences compared to Depop. Ideal users are sellers who want a streamlined experience with built-in shipping support and a diverse customer base, including those selling higher-end or everyday fashion items. Depop and Poshmark both offer strong resale platforms, but serve different seller profiles. Depop's social media-like interface and trend-driven audience make it ideal for creative sellers focusing on vintage and streetwear. It requires managing shipping independently but offers lower fees. Poshmark's broader marketplace and integrated shipping labels simplify selling for those with diverse or higher-end inventories, though it comes with higher fees. For example, a seller with unique vintage clothing might thrive on Depop by building a niche following, while a seller with a mix of brand name apparel and accessories might prefer Poshmark's streamlined logistics and larger audience. The trade-off is between a lower-cost, community-driven experience on Depop and a more structured, convenient selling environment on Poshmark. Choose Depop if you want a creative social selling experience focused on vintage and streetwear, with lower fees and direct buyer engagement. Opt for Poshmark if you prefer a wider audience, integrated shipping, and a more straightforward selling process despite higher fees. Both platforms excel in different areas, so pick the one that best fits your inventory and selling style for maximum success.